Welcome to Vidyadan. This video will guide you on simple steps that enable you to log in as a contributor under the contributor organization. You will learn to contribute content on Vidyadan as a contributor under contributor organization. To begin with the process, kindly click on the link you received from contributor organization that will enable you to register yourself to contribute content for open projects on Vidyadan. Let's get started. If you have an existing Gmail account, click on Login with Google or click on Register here if you don't have a Gmail account. Kindly fill out your basic information like your full name, mobile number or email ID and set your password. You will then receive a one-time password on your registered mobile number or email ID that you have provided. Use that to complete the verification. Then you can log in using your registered email or mobile number and password that you have set. Hope you are clear so far. If you have an existing Gmail account, here is how you can log in. Click on Login with Google. Enter your email ID and click Next. Please enter your password and click Next. You have now successfully logged in as a contributor. Projects which are allocated to you by the admin of the contributing organization can be viewed on My Projects. You can see the details of the project like the name of the sourcing organization, content type, medium, class, subject, nomination date, and role. Click on Open to move forward. You will now be able to view the list of textbooks for contribution in the below table. To contribute, click on Upload Content. Kindly click on the chapter for which you want to upload the content. In this demo, we will choose the chapter, The Sound of Music, to proceed further. Click the Add button to upload your content file. Click on Continue to proceed further. Please note that the platform supports MP4 videos and PDF files. If you would like to understand how to compress your video files, convert your Word document into a PDF, or to convert other video formats into an MP4 format, please refer to the links below. Ensure that the video is less than 50 MB. Now, let's select the file that you want to upload. In this video, we will be uploading a PDF file. You have successfully uploaded your content. Kindly give a name for your content. It is recommended to write the name of the chapter or the topic for your resource. In this demo, we will write the name The Sound of Music. The next step is to fill the details asked below. If learning outcomes are mentioned by the sourcing organization, you will be able to see them in the drop-down below. Else, you may skip them. Enter attributions if you want to attribute anyone for the content. If you have got this content reviewed and recommended by someone, you may mention their name. Please fill the copyrights. If the content is created by you, enter your full name or the name of your organization. If the content is not owned by you, please read the terms and privacy before you proceed. Fill the license as per the same. Once you have filled all the details, you may now save the content before you proceed. Kindly check all the details and the uploaded file before you click Submit. In case you want to change the uploaded file, just click on Replace File. Once you click on Submit, your content is sent for review. Click back if you wish to contribute for any other chapter or content type. If your admin allocates a new project, select the textbooks and follow the same process. Congratulations! You have now successfully contributed content as a contributor under a contributing organization. We hope the video was resourceful. Thank you.